Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, center armrest, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, power windows, security system, CD player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.